5, 2. So these are the points we get given, and we have to try and find our quadratic. Do we know anything about this quadratic?
Yeah.
Do we know where the intercepts are?
Yeah.
Where are they? Do we know where the turning point is? So my advice, we put it into that form, which is
Quadratic. Trinomial.
trinomial. Because we don't know intercepts and we don't know a turning point, correct? So what do we know? Correct? When x equals 1, y equals negative 2. So we know negative 2 equals a times 1 plus b times 1 plus c. Correct? I'm just going to simplify that. Negative 2 equals a plus b plus c. I'm just going to call that 1 for now. I'm going to rearrange that later. What else do I know? When x equals 3, y equals negative 4, correct? So I can write negative 4 equals a times 3 squared plus b times 3 plus c, correct? So I've got negative 4 equals 9a plus 3b plus c. I might call that 2, for example. Looks a bit tricky, doesn't it? What can I do to make this a bit easier for me?
Could you rearrange the x, y, y?
Yeah, I could rearrange to get the c by itself. Doesn't matter which equation. Not really. I'd probably attack 1. Okay, so I left a bit of space under 1 for a reason. So you might want to take the a and the b to the other side. So you would have c equals negative 2 minus a minus b. What can we do with that? I'll call this 1a if you want, doesn't bother me, we'll call it 1a. Sub 1a into now I've got negative 4 equals 9a plus 3b minus 2 minus b minus a. Collect my like terms. 8a plus 2b minus 2 equals minus 4. Minus 2 equals 8a plus 2b. The c. So that's c there. Why is it minus 2 minus a minus b? So I subtracted a, subtracted
Why
b.
is one of them minus 2 minus b minus a?
Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Just like that. That's not 2 seconds. You're right at 2 seconds. Are we happy with that? Or whether anything doesn't make sense? What am I doing here? What's the process I'm applying? You okay?
Substitution.
Substitution using simultaneous equations, correct? But it is just substitution. Why am I doing that? How many variables did I start with? How many unknowns? How many unknowns did I start with? Did I know A? Did I know B? Did I know C? X and Y I can sub values in, so I had 3 things I didn't know. How many have I got now? 2, correct? Have I used up all my points? So I've still got one more points to use, correct? Harry was about to help me get this to my last step. What did you tell me, Harry, to do? Divide everything by 2, so divide 2, divide 2, divide 2, and that will give me -1 equals 4a plus b. What do you reckon I have to do now? Where do I want my variables? On one side, correct? Which one looks easier to get to? B? So that's -4a from both sides, correct? So now I've got B equals -1 minus 4a. Why don't I call that 2a? What else